us on the other side.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.
Think of the happiest things. It's the same as having wings. You can fly. It means no way. Fall is nothing.
Life is just a great sunny day. Your cares fade away.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming.
And your heart is young. I've got no dreams to hold me down. I will be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing.
Disneyland will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
Did someone say joy? We gotta wait this place out. I'm gonna need some help.
You have to play that.
Well, I have to practice, and I don't think of it as playing so much as hugging. Okay, emotions, let me hear you sing.
Are you kidding?
I can't believe we're doing this. Did I do it right?
What's a do? This is so cringe.
Fear, how we feeling?
Oh, you want me to sing in public?
Okay, Sadness, how about you?
I don't think I'll add much to this song.
Come on, embarrassment, let's hear it! Nice! Spotlight! Okay. Strong choices. All right, everybody. I'll sing something, and you sing it back.
Oh, you must be kidding.
I hope nobody hears this. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh! That sounded amazing. You know what? I bet we can handle more. Sing it with me. I'm actually good at this. Close enough. Here we go. I didn't think I'd like it, but I do.
Oh my gosh,
Joy, that was amazing. You're so amazing and talented and bubbly and happy. How am I ever going to be as happy as you? Oh, Envy, there are so many ways to be happy. It's a little different for each of us. A great way to start is to think of a happy memory.
how about this one?
This baby right here is a core memory. Pop it in here and presto! Aw, you guys! Sorry, that's a surprise for later. Let's just forget you saw that one. What is that? Personality islands. Those are some of the most important things in Riley's world. That's goofball. That's friendship. That's hockey.
is it so small?
Well, it didn't used to be, until that one came along. That's Boy Band Island.
You mean like with the cool hair and the dance moves and the piercing blue eyes that make you feel like you're the only one in the audience?
Whoa, guess we found something that makes you happy. You know I want to hit it, but I can't. Okay, fine, this is the best.
I've never met nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn or tell me the way you do. I've never met nobody like you. You never not on my mind, oh mine, oh mine. I'm never not by your side, your side, your side. I'm never gonna let you cry, oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride, oh die. True to your heart, you must be true to your heart. That's when the heavens will part, and baby shower you with my love. If we listen to each other's hearts, we'll find we're never too far apart. And baby, love is the reason why, for the first time ever, seeing it eye to eye. We're seeing it eye to eye. We're seeing it eye to eye. If you've ever lonely, stop. You don't have to be.
They're all so happy. It's like a beautiful dream I'll never have.
Oh, sadness. Dreaming big dreams can bring you happiness. Give it a try.
Isn't truth supposed to set you free? Or why do I feel so weighed down by it? If I could show them everything I've seen, open their eyes to all the lies, then would they change their minds like I did? Oh, this is where we've been, but it's not where we belong. And I may be young, but I know I'm not wrong. So I look up at the stars to guide me, and throw caution to every warning sign. I'm sure there will be challenges that find me, but I can take them on one at a time. So I make this wish to have something more for us than this. So I make this wish to have something more for us
I had a dream once.
I'm malicious, mean, and scary. My snare could curdle dairy. And violence-wise, my hands are not the cleanest. But despite my evil look, and my temper, and my hook, I've always yearned to be a concert pianist.
He's got a dream. He's got a dream.
See, I ain't as cruel and vicious as I seem. Though I do like cranky dreamers, you can tempt me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream.
Or would like to quit and be a florist. Got the does interior design. Ulf is into mine until his cupcakes are sublime. Cause her name It's Killer Soul's America's Little Puppet Show.
Like Vladimir collects ceramic unicorns.
Way down deep inside, we've got a dream. I've got a dream. I've got a dream. I've got a dream. Yes, way down deep inside, I've got a
You call that a dream? If you really want to be happy, you gotta get up and make something happen.
Even I have to say that is incredible.
Joy, everything's turning orange again.
Do I look orange?
I didn't touch it.
Orange is not my color.
Not me. Hello, everybody. Oh, anxiety. What do you think makes her happy? Ooh, lots of things. She loves to manage your calendar, walk your dog, carry your things, watch you sleep, and make sure we're prepared for all the terrible things that could possibly go wrong. Huh. Seems like trying to make everyone happy would be a lot of pressure.
I'm the strong one. I'm not nervous. I'm as tough as the crust of the earth is. I move mountains, I move churches, and I glow cause I know what my worth is. I don't ask how hard the work is. Got a rough and destructible surface. Diamonds and platinum, I find them platinum. I take what I'm handed, I break what's demanded. Under the surface, I'm pretty sure I'm worthless if I can be of service. I'll fall or crack, the straw in the stack that breaks the camel's back. What breaks the camel's back? It's fresh like a drip, drip, drip that'll never stop. Whoa, pressure that'll dip, dip, dip till you just don't pop. Whoa, give it to your sister, your sister's older. Give her all the heavy things You all care too much. You just need to let it go.
Let it go? Okay, how am I supposed to just let it go and be happy when there's so many unknowns out there, huh?
Fear. Fear.
I know you're in
Oh no. Seriously, hold me!
Fear? You have a parachute?
Yes. The real question is why don't any of you?
Well, Fear, how did you do that? Oh, Chris, someone's breathing on me.
You're all safe. I'm so happy.
Joy, Joy, I think I finally get it. Happiness, I mean. It's all of us, all together, isn't it? It sure is. And when we all shine together like that, what a rainbow.
They said that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on the morning star. Somebody thought of that, someone believed it. Look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? And what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, a rainbow connection. All of us under its spell know that it's probably magic. It's something I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find a rainbow connection. The dreamers and me.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.
Joy, is it time for that surprise?
Yup, now.
Tastes like the first bite of chocolate, sunshine in my pocket. I'm grooving and I'm popping away. Gonna hit up all my friends to meet me here in town. Yeah, we're giving out happy today. Feeling like it's
this happiness? You know, I think it is. This has been so fun, everybody. Okay, you can leave now.
Thank you for joining us for World of Color Happiness. Wherever you're headed, we hope it's full of chances to celebrate happy. Good night.
Gracias por acompañarnos en esta